Hey guys, what's up? This is Wali from bestbloggerkp.com and we are learning advanced CMS and website in PHP. Friends, in previous video I created this simple variate for follows buttons, and now we need to retrieve or insert the recent post from the database, and for that we will work inside this sidebar.php page. So let's come here. Just insert another another div tag, and inside that we will inside this div tag we will start PHP code, writing PHP code. So the first thing is which is PHP starting tag and PHP closing tag. After that, include the database, which is inside includes folder, includes /connect.php, that is database connection. And after that we will just create a query variable, local variable. Inside that we will write the SQL query, like select all from post, but we say order by one descending means descending means that the post will be ordering by recent post, the recent post that we have inserted. And the limit would be, for this time the limit would be 0 to 5. The limit would be from 0 to 5. Order by, select all from post, order by one means that the recent post will come, the order is descending, and the limit is 0 to 5. So now create another variable and is equal to MySQL underscore default function query, and that will be this query. Now say while loop, inside that create a row variable, and that is equal to MySQL underscore fetch array, and this is the variable for fetching the array. And from that array we will just create some more variable, that what we need to actually take from the database, from the table row. So the title is equal to row, and that is the post title inside the table. So we just save this title in this local variable. And the second thing is for example the description. No, we don't want to add the description, just the title and the image, which is equal to row and the image inside the database, post image. So we did these two things. Now we just remove this curly bracket, because we will close that later on. So we just added this to we can also create the post ID here is equal to $_row and post ID inside our table. So we retrieved, or you can see we called using while loop, we called we retrieved three fields or three values from the table, and we created a default MySQL fetch array function we used to make this query an array. Now you can just show them here after the block of PHP. You can just show them like in a paragraph. h2 tag, for example. In h2 tag you can just say that PHP echo, or without PHP you can just say title. Title would be inside h2 tag, and after that img source is equal to images backslash, and then here you need to insert the PHP block echo, or you can just say image inside images the image, and its width should be 100 pixel and height should also be 100 pixel. But here you need to insert single quotes because this is doing you are doing inside PHP. So that's it. Now come here and close the bracket, this curly bracket that you for the while loop you started here, and you just close up here. Control S to save. Now come here, check the page, refresh it. You can see the title 5 posts, but something is wrong here. Just use this PHP echo command, echo title here, and now this will be good. And also here PHP echo, what should be echoed? The image variable here, which is calling this image name from the table, and that image is inside images folder. So that's it. Now Control S to save, and come here again, refresh this page. You can see the images and the post here. Velo Malala is the recent post that we inserted. After that, the recent post is this one. And you can also make sure that the H2 align should be center, but just you can use the center tag here, and after the image it should be closed. So this post will be now centered, aligned, and the image is just 100 pixels. If you want to increase it to 140, it would be more good and looking visible on the page. Just I saved it, again refresh the page. Now the images are looking nice. You can see these are recent posts inside our table. You can also make this title as a link when someone click it, or also the image itself if someone click it, so this page should be shown here. So that is really simple. Just insert, I want to make this code a little bit readable, so making some space here. So we will, before the h2 tag, we will insert an href, and we will just say that go to pages.php page and create an id which will be is equal to echo post id, which is here. We are also retrieving the post id, so the person will click, when the person will click on the post, so that person will go to pages.php, and we already created an id variable there. This is a get variable inside the URL we always create, and we transfer this post id. So we are saying that this post should be shown on the pages.php page. So that's really simple. You already have learned this, and we just want to save this, to close the link anchor tag here, and the same thing will be done for the image as well. Just copy this, and before the image insert paste it here, and after the image close the anchor text or the link tag. Now I have Control S to saved, and now refresh this page. You can see these are now images, these are now links. Now when you will click this recent post, click it here, it will be opening here. You can see we love Malala, you click that and the full story is here. And similar, like click the another post, so it will also be coming here, you can see. And this is how PHP is very interesting to work with. Now we clicked again the home page, so you can also style up these links if you want. It's very simple. Just you need to change your style.css page here, the style page. So now the sidebar is also now looking nice with this recent post. What we did inside the sidebar, we just included the database. After that we created a local query variable. We inserted the query structure, or the MySQL query. For that we said that select from post but order by descending. Descending means if you use ascending, then the older post will be showing up first. So we said note, we said descending. Descending means the recent post will be shown up, and we said that limit is 0 to 5. Just 5 posts we want to show. If we remove this, then all posts will come. So we don't want that. We just said that the 5 posts are enough. And after that we said that run a query, MySQL query, and inside a while loop, because we want to repeat the result. So we just said that the title and the image should be shown displayed on the sidebar, and that should be repeats 5 times. So therefore we use the while loop, and we close the while loop after these 2 takes, these 2 records. So this will be the while loop will be working 5 times, and that's in front of you here. You can see the data is in front of you inside the sidebar, and whenever you will click this image or this title, the page will be opening here on the main pages, because the ID will be transferring to pages.php where we have already done the work for for ID. So you can see get ID. So if whenever someone click this title or this read more link,